Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. The integration of z, you got about z squared over 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to the square root of 4 minus s squared. So I will put this one going here, number 0 going here. So we have like this. This one we have power 2. So 1 over 2, that is about the square root with number 2. So we have number 1 and we have another square root. So number 1 plus 1 over 2. We have 3 over 2. Now we can use about cylindrical coordinates. So we have x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. Now we have x squared plus y squared. So I will put this one going here, this one going here. So r square and r square we can do about factorization. And we know that this one equals to number 1. Next, dy dx, we change by r dr d theta. Now we need to change the bounds. So we have dy and y is greater than or equal to number 0 and y is smaller than or equals to the square root of 4 minus s squared. So I will concentrate about this one. So I will put the power 2 for the both sides. So I will put this one go to the left. And we know that this is about the circle with the center 0, 0 and the radius. That should be about the square root of number 4 from here equals to number 2. Now we need to draw the circle. Now we look on the bounds ds from 0 to number 2. Here is about 0, here is about number 2, and we know that y below the positive square root 4 minus s squared, and that is about this area in here. Now we need to change the new double integrals in here. So about this one in here, we change by r squared. dy dx we change by r dr d theta. About dr, that is about from 0 to number 2. This is about the radius of this circle in here. D theta, we start at number 0 in here, and we stop at b over 2. We just apply about trigonometric circle. Now we need to calculate about this one. So in this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. So in this situation, I will put about u equal to 4 minus r squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have negative number 2r dr. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when r equals to number 0, so we put number 0 on here, and we have u equals to number 4, number 0 in here. When r equals to number 2 from here, we put number 2 going here to find the value of u, and u equals to number 0. And now we have the new one. Number 0 we change by number 4. Number 2 we change by number 0. Four minus r squared we change by u. R dr we change by du over negative number 2. The integration of this one, we will have about number 2 and negative number 2, we have negative number 4 in here. U to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. And we put the bounds from number 4 to number 0. So we put number 0 going here, number 4 going here. So we calculate and we have 16 over 5. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.